Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the linked triple crochet stitch. So if you want to crochet something and you want to work it up very quickly, this is a stitch that you can use. Now this is the usual triple crochet. So you can see it's got all these openings and gaps between the stitches, and this is the linked triple crochet. So let's get started. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell to receive notification when I post new videos. I'm going to start with chain 12. So now normally to make a triple crochet you would wrap the yarn around 2 times. We're not going to do that. We're going to go into the second stitch from the hook. We're going to pull up a loop. Go into the next stitch, pull up a loop. And then we're going into the next stitch because that is the stitch we would be working into normally to make a triple crochet. So now I have 4 loops on the hook. So now I'm going to pick up the yarn and pull it through 2. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Now in the second loop from the hook, that's this one, in the second loop from the hook, pass the hook through and pick up the yarn. In the next loop, pass the hook through, pick up the yarn. And then in the stitch where you would normally work, pull up the yarn. And now pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. And so you can see that these stitches are all looped together. If I were doing a normal triple crochet, this is how I would do it. And you see there'd be a gap there. So there's the first loop, there's the second loop. Pull up the loop, go into the next loop, pull up a loop, and then go into the stitch that you would normally work into. 4 loops on the hook, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And you can see that these are all connected. And there you go. There's the difference between the regular triple crochet and a linked triple crochet. So that's your new stitch for today. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.